Alrighty then. Okay, guys. So right now we're looking at orifice.ai. So it's a machine that's developed by orifice.ai, and it's a technologically advanced silicone adult toy designed for men struggling to find a woman. It integrates multiple high-tech features, including a computer vision system, text-to-speech, speech-to-text capabilities, large language model, so LLM, and generative modeling. So this device aims to enhance user experience by incorporating interactive and responsive elements that leverage AI technology. So on here, you can find it on the website itself, orifice.ai. I'm using actually right now raida.ai, the blog itself, just to get more insight into this machine. So basically, I couldn't log into the site for some reason to give you a better description, so I'm just using another site. So here it says that, are you looking for a new experience among sensational adult pleasure devices? Let's talk about Orifice AI, a novel silicone toy designed for men that integrates advanced tech features like computer vision, speech interaction, and NSFW AI-driven responses. Okay, so on here, what does it do? So it isn't just another adult toy for men. It's a high-tech gadget that uses a computer vision system to adapt its behavior based on visual input. That's quite weird. So it features text-to-speech and speech-to-text, allowing for interactive verbal communication. It's equipped with self-heating, video analysis, and large language model and generative modeling, enhancing the overall immersive experience. Okay, so how to use it? So it's simple, you power it on and it will guide you through initial setup using its voice capabilities. You can speak to it and it will respond. Try it if you don't believe. The computer vision adjusts the device's actions by reacting to visual cues, ensuring a responsive and personalized experience. Okay, so you have a picture right here. It's quite intense. A lot of LEDs and also computer hardware. There's quite a few plugins. Obviously, this is just a transparent version just to show you how it works on the inside. It has quite a few systems in it. I'm not going to lie, it's quite intricate. But they do list some pros and cons. The pros is interactive, personalization, so it adapts to you in real time because of visual and audio cues. There's technological integration, so of course it's merged with AI, so flashlight and AI, but there is some cons. So essentially, you have privacy concerns with integrated cameras and microphones. Security and privacy could be a concern. This really plays down what it really could be. Essentially, they have pictures of you and you naked in some kind of device. And so, of course, you could be just held to ransom by blackmailers to get this, live feed, because obviously it needs an internet connection for you to use this AI. And at the same time, it's recording you visually and audio, so there's more than enough evidence for them to do whatever they want. Say, hey, if you don't pay a price, we're going to leak this online, and then chaos ensues. Another list they say is just complexity for some users. The high-tech nature might be intimidating for non-tech savvy users. This is a sex toy, so I mean, when it comes to this regards, people will find a way to get tech savvy. Don't really worry about that. And then price becomes a concern. High-end technology comes with a high-end price. I mean, this is a market meant for very specific people, so obviously if it exists, they're gonna be selling some kind of way. Of course, it's not always true. There's always big flops, like in the tech world, but they already have a ton of engagement right now, just on pre-orders. Pre-orders are not out right now, but they have a shit ton of engagement coming from people who want to be buying it essentially. So I mean, the fact that they have like financial backing in the first place, this is really going to be a killer, I guess. Since once their pre-order debuts, it's going to start selling immediately. I guess the certain customer they're going for is going to want it in any case because they've had the engagement already. Plus, obviously, with all the social media content going on with the AI and stuff, it's probably going to sell itself. I mean, it's quite an ingenious marketing plan. Combine AI and this together, and a flashlight just moves. There was something else on Kickstarter. It was a AI blowjob device. Essentially, with that, they just went onto this crowdfunding app and they had a huge amount and essentially influx of funding coming in with multiple users who said that they would like to pre-order, and they doing well right now. I mean, they made it happen, uses AI to make it seem like it's a real human mouth. So yeah, I mean, with this type of stuff in AI, it's just something I think people see like a large amount of money in. The only concern, obviously, that they haven't displayed here is just with sex workers. So if you are in that industry, you might not be for any longer. I mean, this is something that's making other people obsolete. So if you could just get a machine to do everything, it's gonna do it. And yeah, I mean, this machine doesn't sleep, it doesn't need any payment, so you could essentially be an AI pump and pump out some women who are not women, they're just AI, and then make a shit ton of money from this not virtual, it's real life, so real life brothel, I guess, but without the woman, without the human neighbor, I guess, is the way they put it. I mean, if AI and robots are coming for every industry, they're coming for every single industry, even the illegal ones. So it's going to be really, really crazy. But yeah, that's the orifice.ai. That's where you can find it. I'm using rate.ai, the blog. You can look up the pictures on there. It's quite cool. Kind of looks like a washing machine. And in some pictures, in others, it just looks like a box with a hole in it. It's not as attractive as the future of sex, and it's just like looks like a cardboard box with a hole. It's not the best presentation, but obviously these are just prototypes. They'll get better marketing as they go along, and they'll probably use AI for the marketing. So there you go. All right, guys, that's it from me. You can expect some more updates soon about all the AI stuff. Yeah, have a lovely one. See you guys.